This is some of the limit we got. Oh, look at this. Aiden, you did it, buddy.
Yeah, yeah.
It's the crew. There you go.
At least we can eat this.
So you guys can, yeah. So you guys can fill it up and use it.
There you go. I was showing how to clean the razor clam. Just blanch it in the water for like maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds or so.
10 seconds.
10 seconds the most.
Put in the cold water.
Yeah, and then, yeah, that's how you do it. Alright. Was that a real tattoo down there?
No.
I thought it was a real one.
When we dip the freshly washed
Chicken fry.
what?
Nani, try the polka dot is good.
But we didn't batter any.
We like leave some sort of a marking on it, right? Have you ever gotten stung by a beaver?
Wasn't that my face that you saw? Because I was like literally squashing.
Oh.
I posted it on my story.
Ooh, what? What wrap? Oh, the wrap? Because it'll burn. Just put it on the side.
It's worth eating inside.
What's in the tail? What do you
Oh, I was that's sign from Hunter.
Get mad. No, so Brad gets
Go back.